Hey, I'm Tim Pickens with the Rocket City Space Pioneers, and I'm here with Ray McCormick, and he's a engineer and a leader here at Dynetics, and we're sitting here in front of a prototype rover that was built by students in probably 6 weeks. It was done in a 10-week program with the NASA Robotics Academy. We've participated in the Robotics Academy for the last few years, and we've got some wonderful talent as a result of NASA having that program and sending us some students out here. The fact is they did a full design cycle in how many weeks, Ray?
In 10 weeks, and went through, none of this existed 10 weeks ago. Started from a clean sheet of paper with some basic 5 or 10 requirements that we gave them, and went through a design effort, built a prototype, and went through some test planning and test results, verification of requirements, and final presentation.
Right.
10-week period.
Which is really incredible. This is done by 3 students, by the way, which is really cool. The fact is, these students often really shine here in our organization. In fact, haven't you hired some of the students in the past that have come out of this organization?
We have. This is the second summer that Dynetics, specifically with the Rocket City Space Pioneers, has been involved with the Robotics Academy, and we had a group last summer of 5 students that worked on a lander test bed design for us, and we ended up hiring the team lead from last summer. He was a graduate from Purdue, and we hired him shortly after he left. He's been here for almost a year now, working in my group, and he's worked out great. So we had last summer we basically had a 10-week interview with him, and saw what he was able to do, and he was looking for a job, and we had a position that was open that needed a good system engineering position that he has fit in well. And so this summer, getting to see these guys, and we've got one that's looking for a job now, and we've got him some interviews around Dynetics. Unfortunately, we don't have a position in our group looking for a double E at the moment, or we'd certainly hire him, but trying to introduce him to some other people at Dynetics, and he might stick around too. You never know with this. It's great. It's a great program that Marshall and NASA puts on, and we're happy to be involved with it, and the kids, the last 2 summers have been fantastic.
Yeah, NASA, we appreciate you having this program to allow us to find out who is the best of the best and figure out who knows how to do hardware, because that's what we do a lot of here, and it's really important that we're able to vet some of these folks before we hire them, and I think the kids really enjoy it. So we also encourage all you students out there to look NASA up and look up the Robotics Academy and see if there's something there for you. And we'd love to have you come on board and be part of our efforts here, and we use you in the same capacity. So thanks NASA, and thanks Robotics Academy.